Hello, my dear children. Welcome to Computer Class 2. Open page number 54, Chapter 6 Introduction to Paint. My dear students, we all know that you love to draw and color. And do you know this activity develops creativity in you as you draw and color in your drawing book? Likewise, you will have to do the same in computer also using different tools in paint, okay? And in this session, we are going to do and that means we are going to study about paint software, starting paint, then parts of the paint window, how to use the shape tools, and how to fill color with the help of tool option. Do you know, children, when you start paint, what you will have to do? To start a paint, you will have to click on start button. Then you all know the steps are written on the book that you first of all you will have to click on start button, then go to paint accessories, and then what you will have to do, a drop down window will come. Then click on paint and your window screen will open. Paint window screen will open. Okay, now again I am repeating it. See the screen over here. First of all, click on Start button, choose Windows Accessories, click on Paint window, click on all Program Accessories, and then select Paint option from here, and the Paint window will open. You will have to practice this thing in computers also. Now, dear children, next topic is part of the paint window. Here, the paint window is divided or categorized into the following parts, that is title bar, quick access toolbar, paint button, ribbon, tab, group, and drawing area. The title bar is blue in color and is placed on the top of the screen. The title bar displays the name of the file along with the program name. On the right side of the title bar are the control buttons to close, minimize, and maximize. Okay, these three buttons are known as control buttons. You can minimize the paint screen, you can maximize the paint screen, as well as you can close the paint screen, okay, paint window. Now, the quick access toolbar contains the buttons for doing all the common work. The paint button has different options to do the work in the program. Ribbon has two parts, the tab and groups. The tab has tools arranged in different groups, and each group is a set of related commands. The drawing area that covers the major portion of the paint window in the middle. This area is responsible for making all the art and drawing work that you are doing, all coloring and drawing. Okay. Now, using shape tool. The shape tool helps in drawing shapes like triangle, oval, polygon, etc. Then, how to draw a line tool? Dear children, you have to click on Home tab and then select line tool option. You can see the figure over here. Select line tool option. This line tool is in shape groups. Select any color from the color group and the line thickness from the size button. Now move your mouse pointer to the drawing area. Here you have to press and hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse pointer on the drawing area. Note that a line is drawn on the screen when you drag your mouse, a line will be drawn on the screen, and wherever you want to end that line, you have to release the mouse button. Okay. The shortcut key command for this is shift key. The shortcut key command for to draw a straight line. The shortcut key command to draw a straight line is shift button. Okay, remember this thing. You will have to press shift key. You will use shift key. Hold down the shift key while dragging the mouse on the drawing area. Now, using curve tool. You can see the picture over here. Using the curve tool, a picture has been drawn. A boat has been drawn. In your book, you can find this picture on page number 56. Now, using curve tool. Curve tool you can find in shape group again. First of all, click on Home tab. Then, click on curve tool in the shape group. Select the color according to your desire and also select the required thickness that you want, and then bring your mouse pointer on the drawing area. Click and drag the pointer to draw a line. So move the pointer to the point wherever you want to add the curve. Dear children, you can modify your curve only 2 times. So make it carefully. Click and drag the line to draw a curve. Okay. Now, drawing a rectangle. How you will draw a rectangle? See the picture here on the screen to draw the rectangle. Again, rectangle tool you can see here in the shape group. Click on Home tab. Click on rectangle tool then from the shape group. Then select your desired color and move the mouse pointer to the drawing area again, and then hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse to draw the rectangle. Release the mouse when the rectangle is made. Wherever you want to end the rectangle, the size of the rectangle, required line, you can also select and then draw the rectangle like that. You have to hold down the left mouse button, drag the mouse to draw that. Okay. Now, drawing a circle. How you will draw a circle? You will draw the circle using the oval tool. Oval tool also you can find in the shape group. First of all, again follow the same steps. Repeat the same steps. Go to Home tab. Click on it. Then select oval tool from shape group. Select the color according to your choice. Whatever color you desire you can select. And then go to size button. Click on it. Select the width. Then move the mouse pointer to the drawing area again and press the left mouse button and drag the drawing area to drag the mouse on the drawing area to draw the circle. Now, using a polygon tool. Next topic is how you will draw a polygon. That is, you can make a star with the help of it. So, what you will do, see the figure using polygon drawing is, you can draw this line, this star. Okay. First of all, select the polygon tool. Again, polygon tool you can find in shape group. Okay. Select the thickness, and by clicking how you will select the thickness? You will select the thickness by clicking on the size button. Then draw line AB. First of all, what you will have to do again, select the color from the drawing from the color group and then draw a line. You all know how to draw it. Then draw a line AB, and by clicking and dragging you can draw a line. Then draw a line first from A to B, then move your mouse pointer to point C. The line will be continued, and then click once there. Then again bring the mouse pointer to point D and click again only once. Then further click the left mouse button at point E, and then wherever you want to close the shape, you have to double click it. So you want to make the star, close it at the final point, that is on point A. Okay, double click at final point A to close the shape. Your star will be made. Now you want to color your star. If you want to color your star, you have to use fill with color option. To fill the star shape, you will have to select fill with color tool first, and then go to color group, choose the color, select the color according to your desire, and then bring the mouse pointer on the star base, click once there, and your star will be filled with yellow color or whatever color you want to be drawn. Now, dear children, your drawing, all the drawing has two parts, foreground as well as background. Okay, the foreground, the part that you want to highlight, which is in the front part, is the foreground of the picture. For that you will have to select color 1, and for background you will have to select color 2 option. Two options are there, you can see in the picture, color 1 and color 2. So color 1, for color 1, click on color 1 button to select foreground color, and click on color 2 button to select background color. Now select the color, fill with color tool, and right click on the background or the foreground of the screen, and it will be colored then. So go through the chapter properly and carefully. Write all the points neatly. Follow the steps and practice it in your computer. Dear children, read the chapter properly, and in the next session I will post the question answer of the related chapter of this chapter. Till then, stay fit, stay well. Thank you.